Fishman here, y'all. It's my boy. Gonna open up some more Hot Wheels for y'all. We want to say our hays. Alright, y'all, let's turn this thing around and open up some cars and have some fun.
Let's start with this one.
That one.
Now let's start with this one. Start with this one.
I think I don't want to. There we go. I had to help to mash it right, don't I?
Let's start with this one.
Alright, let's start with this one. The 49 Drag Merc.
How do you merge a bunch like? Let's see how it rolls. What's pretty good?
Alright, y'all, check the old Merc out. Almost looks like a Zamac. Alright, y'all. Up next is going to be the Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0. Check this one out, y'all. There we go, y'all. Alright, y'all. Oh, baby. New for 2024, the 23 Ram 1500.
I said, what's that? Because it's ridiculous.
It's
ridiculous.
Hey, y'all, check all the Ram out. Alright, well, that's on the turn. Y'all gonna open up the Toyota GR86 Cup. Hey, baby. I'm gonna drop my car. Check it out in there, y'all. Alright, well, that's the only thing, y'all. New for 2024, the Porsche 911 Rally.
I accidentally dropped it. Daddy. That's a Ferrari.
Oh, baby, this is a Porsche.
Is it going camping?
Porsche, no, it's a Porsche Rally, baby. They use that there when they go rally. That's their tools and gas and stuff.
On the top?
It's pretty cool, ain't it? Alright, up next, y'all, is going to be the Batman and Robin Batmobile. Since my boy likes the Batmobile now, so I've been starting to get them for him. Well, y'all, that's gonna be it for a little video right here. Just turn this camera around and say our goodbyes. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Say our goodbyes. Alright, y'all. We're gonna say our goodbyes. Bye.
What's the...
Hey, what you say?
I said,
No.
peace.
Peace, y'all. If y'all ain't have done it, subscribe to our channel, please. Dirt Fishman out of here.